arms are cold. There's water on my glasses.
Damn it, I broke another button.
She broke another button. Hey. We're calling in geese. We're calling in geese by geese. Disrupt them. Look, a swan. A swan. No one cares about the swan.
No one cares.
Hey, geese. Look, the swan.
I feel like that's a good shot.
Oh, see, now you care about the swan. We're calling in geese and no one else works here. You lied to me.
I
No one else works here. You lied to me.
Holly, go stand on the thing. Go stand on the rock. Alright. Why? It was so cute. It's filming. We should play a Tarzan song to this. They're like killing in my garden. Holy shit. Oh, we heard that bang. What do you think of this? He hears you whisper. Sniffling. Listen to me. Look. Scared. Hold on. Alright, start. You fucking bitch.
Watch your hand.
All right,
Why did your
it's
instinct
going.
drop it? Dude, it started to come up when I was trying to. Alright, do it. You built it up now. It must be done. I mean, people do it all the time.
Come on, Holly, really, do it.
You can't get any moister than that.
Please, Holly.
Just making sure it doesn't dry.
Do it.
Alright, Holly, you're wasting my battery.
Okay.
Holly, you're wasting my battery now. Holly, if you're gonna do it, just do it.
Dude, she's not gonna do it.
I am.
Dude, have you seen that? Looked at her that long.
Holly, seriously? Let's do it now.
There's still
Holly, seriously, you're already wasted like 5 minutes. You were closer. I'm gonna get a close-up of the candle now. You better do it at this point.
Dude, just do it. Your fingers are wet. They're fine.
Screw it. Do it.
It's not gonna hurt. Just don't hold your finger there when you do it. Just do it and let go immediately.
Holly, you will be forever brave if you just do it.
And your fingers will be burned. Peer pressure.
Oh my fucking god. Holly, just...
do it.
Alright, you're not doing it. burning.
My flesh!
Holly,
You're not doing it, that's why you're burning yourself, because you're touching the flame. You're just gonna grab this stick really quick. Does that hurt? No, it doesn't hurt.
just do it!
You know it. You've already burned yourself like 3 times. It doesn't hurt.
Holly, seriously, you're wasting so much battery.
Dude, the candle's gonna burn down to the bottom. It's also sizzling because your fingers are wet. If you just grab it. You're blowing away before you. I really want to do this. Like, you're making me want to do it for you.
I know, just do it. Come on, man, I gotta fart. Please.
Alright. You're not touching the candle.
Holly, you.
You almost put it out.
You. Almost did it. Just do that 1 second longer.
Dude, you're not touching the candle.
Wax just came out of my mouth!
Holly, hurry up.
Or that was flesh.
All right, you have 10 more seconds.
Yes!
Can you get breathe?
Did you just really just touch it? I'm like burning my hand.
Does it hurt? Nicole, you try after.
Do you touch the flame? Or like
No, the candlestick. Kate's like touching the flame. What's it called? The wick.
caressing the flame.
If you hold your finger there a long time, it's gonna burn. You're gonna do way too slow.
Oh, it's burning my spit.
You have to burn it out. So slow.
Ow, I felt it.
That's what I got too.
It's burning my.
Yes, Mom and Dad are gonna be home soon. We have no time to film. Nicole?
Oh, your turn.
How do you stop it?
The red button.
Are you recording?
Yes.